Diana, and I'm making this video for my friend Hector Moreno. This winter has come in my country, and a lot of snow fell down over the night, and everywhere is drifts, and now I have a festive mood, and I'm waiting for the New Year and Christmas. But today we talk about building birdhouses. If you got questions, leave us a comment, or better yet, visit our website at http://build-a-birdhouse.net. So, birds will come and build their nests in the wooden birdhouse hanging in your yard. Many people think that building birdhouses is very complicated, but it doesn't have to be. There is no reason for you to skimp on design for the sake of easy work when building birdhouses. You can make any kind of birdhouse that you design, you just need to have the right information about building birdhouses. Building birdhouses is an art, and as such cannot be a one-time event. On occasion, you should spend some time building birdhouses so that you can really master the skill. When building birdhouses, you must always first lay out a plan. This is the only way to make good birdhouses if that is truly what you want to do. When building birdhouses, you really don't have to worry about what is on the inside of the house, but should leave it plain so that it is the best place for nesting. When building birdhouses, be sure to use good materials. Of course, pieces of wood can be found for free are great in building birdhouses. There are many different methods for building birdhouses. Building birdhouses is much fun, so be sure not to put too much pressure on yourself. So thanks so much for watching my video. Don't forget that we've got a lot more content on our website at http://build-a-birdhouse.net. And I hope to see your questions and definitely answer all of them. So have a good day, enjoy your life. I love you all guys so much. Bye bye.